scissors. This guy tipped it up pretty good. Definitely should have bring some scissors next time. Sorry about the camera there. Yeah, this guy tipped it up real good. Extra bags already done. You put it in the box, inside of the box. Interesting. And here, you put it in a box, inside of another box. Nothing in here, just I guess to support it. Smart grocery bag. This is the box that we want. This is the moment of truth. Oh, yes. Beautiful. Look at that. Ah, just beautiful. I'm about to show you these in a little bit, guys. So, here are the vehicles that I have purchased on Facebook Marketplace. We got a Greenlight Series 4 and a Greenlight Series 3. That's right. And they're green machines. I can't wait to unbox this with you guys. Okay, so little mishap of clarity there. I'm trying to move my camera back a little bit, guys. Trying to focus on that. There we go. See, I'm trying to get the right moment of. There we go. There we go. Perfect. All right, I hope you guys can see that. I think it's pretty clear. I think you guys can see it, but which one do I choose from, man? Which one do I choose from? I've been wanting the Chicago one for a while. So, let's open this bad boy. Comment down in the comments. Do you know they still sell the Chicago police one? Because this is why I bought it on Facebook Market, because I didn't know if this guy or the stores, I didn't know if the stores still sold them. Been searching it, and they still have the same cars of the Hot Pursuit series of the same cars of Series 6, Series 5. So, let me know if they still sell these in stores. I don't think so. I think the time has passed, and whoever has them are selling them. I got these cars for a great price. Usually they cost about $32 at the stores. I got these cars for $40 altogether. I think that's a steal for these cars. So, and they're green machines. You know how people, you look online right now, and you know people are jacking up the price just because they're green machines. So, let's open this bad boy. Let's see, do I have to tape it? Let's see if we taped it. Oh, you did not. Lucky me, I have no tape. Yeah. There's a tape on this side. Let's see. That's coming out this side. That's what we want. We don't want this. We can throw that away. We don't want that. Get that out of the way too. Okay, so here we have the Crown Vic. It is a 2008. I'm checking the box to see what's in it is. Just like the Indiana State Trooper one. But let's look at this. Oh, looking very nice. Looking very nice. Looking very nice. The bottom green? No, only the wheels. Only the rims. So let's take a deep dive on this, guys. Okay. So I'm making sure this guy didn't scam me or anything. You know, sometimes people like to scam and stuff and they see the vehicles how they are, and you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I don't think he did. So the wheels are a little wonky in the front, as you can tell. If you can't see it, I hope you can see it from the side. They're coming out a little bit on the side. Not too crazy about that, but hey, what are you gonna do, right? Beautiful Chicago logo of the police department there. I think that's absolutely awesome. We serve and protect. Awesome. Unit 1986. Awesome. Has the emergency contact there, police. It has the Illinois license plate of Simpson. That's cool. As you can tell, it is a green machine. The greenies are not on the bottom. It's only on top, but look at the wheels. I don't like how the wheels are, but what are you gonna do about it, right? It looks like they need to be a little more in, yeah, but you can't do anything about it. All in all, I'm pretty happy to have this in my collection. It's a greenie, so all in all, I'm pretty happy to have this car in my collection. The wheels are a little wonky on the sides right here. Let me show you guys. See how it's a little wonky there, but all right. It's smooth. Love the display of the lights. Love the light bar. Different light bar. For all my models I've showed you, my police models. They didn't show this real clearly, but look at the light bar action going on here. The police lights is blue and red, and you got some fixtures on top. I think that's pretty awesome to have that on your car. See, the doors open good. Not yet, not the police model yet. Does not have the monitor on there. That's alright. Seats are different from all my other Crown Vics. Has the Ford logo on there. I mean, that door shut tight. I love that. But I love how the detail in this car is. I love how Greenlight put their police models in their series. And this is an awesome cop car, and I'm glad to have it. I rate this a 10 out of 10, 5 out of 5 stars. So, that is my review on this car. The wheels are shaking. You might lower that down on the rating, but I'm just so excited. I'm so excited that I have this car now in my collection, and it's a greenie. That's my second greenie, and this is my third greenie. So, comment down below if you like the Chicago one. It's time to open now the Indiana State Trooper. I don't think we need a scissors tape. It's not like I'm buying any. got a little stain right here, as you can tell. All my models, there's a little delays of being scratched, or is it being, right on the box. Just greeny on the wheels. So let's expect this vehicle. State Trooper. Love the realistic how the Indiana State Troopers. If you look on Google right now, this is how they look like. Indiana, big old big letters. I don't know if you can see there, but it has ghosts printing on there. It says State Trooper on there. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. See that state? It says Trooper on there. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool, man. I think that's pretty cool. Indiana state license plate. It has the green wheels, has a green machine. The front, Crown Vic, State Police on there. Check out the light bar action. Love how they went with the light bar. I wish on their models they went with all these light bars, red or blue at least, because I'm not too crazy about the clear coating ones like all my Detroit Police ones. But what can you do? All models are different. Let's open the doors, shall we? Classic Crown Vic. It's all the same inside like the other model. Man, Greenlight's got some power on their doors. But yeah, this is Indiana State Trooper, Chicago Police Department, working together, even though they're in different states. But awesome cars, and I'm so excited that you guys get to see this. I'm excited that you guys saw this. I added to my collection of my cop cars, Greenlights. I think it's pretty awesome. If you didn't see my other Greenlight video, go check it out. There's plenty of police cars that I'm doing, and many more to come of the police models of Greenlight. I rate this a 5 out of 5 because I'm so happy. The only thing I didn't like about one of my cars is how the wheels are sticking out on the Chicago Police car. See how they're sticking out? That kind of bothers me, but what can I do about it, But all in all, a great day to have some cars. Am I right? So happy I got these guys. Go check it down. Subscribe to the channel. Hope you're liking so far the content that I'm providing. Doing this for you guys. Again, maybe you want to buy these cars. You want to see if you like them first. You want to see the detail on them. That's why I do these videos. Not all of YouTube has car videos or the model cars of 124 scale, and I'm here to save the day for that. If you're a 124 lover. If you're not a 124 lover, I hope you still stay because you love diecast cars, and I do too. So thank you for this video. I hope you guys have a nice day. Until the next one, Ryan signing off here from Diecast 7.